Let's start by loading the black ink first. The black ink compartment is located on the left side over here. It's separate from the rest. It has this gray lid. You just have to take your thumb and flip it up like that to unveil where the tank can feed from the bottle. Then take your bottle, open it, and we have to place this ink bottle right over here. You see it has these small indentation here, and this should match the indentations that are located on the printer as well. These bottles are made so it does not spill, but you still need to be a bit careful. Once you have put it here, you do not need to press it, you do not need to shake it, you just have to wait until the ink goes into the printer. You can check the window on the front of the printer to have an idea how much time is left to fill it up. Right now it's over here. It usually takes about a minute and a half to completely fill from zero. Okay, now I don't hear anything and the bottle seems empty, therefore I can safely remove it. You just have to lift it the same way you did once you put it. Close the lid here, make it click, and we're good to go. Now let's do the same thing for the cyan, magenta, and yellow ink. So it's the same exact process. Let's start with the cyan here. I'm gonna open the lid, take my ink bottle, make sure to align the top of the bottle with the printer. And by the way, as you see, nothing leaks. So you don't have to do it very quickly. You don't have to worry about spilling ink. Take your time, push it there, and wait. It's better to do one bottle at a time. I know it's possible to do the yellow at the same time as the cyan, but you better wait. Okay, it's done already. Remove the ink bottle and let's do the next one. The magenta. And finally, the yellow. If the ink stops flowing in the middle of this refilling, you can try move it around slightly. Do not remove it and try avoid pressing on the bottle. This yellow, it's done, so I'll remove the bottle. To close the top lid of this Canon printer, you just have to bring it up, push it upwards, and then let it go. It will simply go back into its position by itself.